So we're going on an adventure today into a cave, but we're gonna do it in style. We're going in a golf cart. We're gonna go do this attraction, and then we're going to another attraction. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to climb up this hill or not. I feel like I'm dying. I'm giving it to Josh's God's Captain. Like, so we're on the hill. Oh.
So did they make this cave?
Yeah, it's a tunnel under the bridge.
Oh, okay.
This one is made of.
But there is a real one?
Yeah. You wanna... Oh, snap!
Beer, bottled water, soda, pearl mix.
Chocolate, did they?
No. Oh wow, that was great.
So far, this has been a super fun adventure. Freezing my patooties off. There's a lot of work they did into here. This ironwork was specially made for this attraction. It's nice that they have places that you can park and then get out and enjoy it as well. You cannot get out in the cave though. But there is a bar where you can get liquor and trail mix and things.
So there's a screen in the cart and it tells us that it took workers 5 years to carve all of this out by hand to expose the rocks underneath.
Man, it's burning rubber in that thing! Woo! Look at it go! Yeah! I didn't burn no rubber!
No, we don't weigh as much as they do.
Oh no! That was awesome!
So maybe the other one is...
Finished with the golf cart tour. We're now getting ready to head on the shuttle to go over to the museum, the lodge, and a restaurant. That is a pile of bison skulls right there. That is when they went out and killed all the buffalo. That is tragic. We're now entering the museum here now. This museum is broken up into different sections. We're walking through the Indian Heritage section.
Is it real?
It was.
Which one's the helper?
It's like a werewolf.
It's a bear dog.
A bear dog. The clothes that they wore. It's really neat to see. I was also impressed with their shoes that they made. Gatling gun. That is an impressive weapon back in the day. We've now moved into the Civil War West era of time here in the museum. There's a musket ball in a tree they brought here. That's insane.
Is it a real tree?
I think so. That's crazy. Can you imagine that thing firing at you and trying not to be hit by that?
I was like, wait, she said there was 3.
That was a very extensive museum. I was not prepared for how big that was going to be. This was created by the person that owns Bass Pro Shop. We're gonna go get something to eat. We're really starving. Artie's, was it called, right?
Arnie's.
Arnie's. We're gonna get a bowl. I guess it's like a burrito bowl or something, right?
Yeah, that's what I think. It says rice bowl, so that's my guess.
We got a little bit of time here. We're trying to make it to the other canyon before it closes. The food was not very good. We don't like to complain too much. We didn't say anything about it, but it was really bad. The rice was crunchy, the beans tasted like rotten, and I was afraid to eat anything else because that might make me sick. It wasn't very good, so I would like to pass on that place there to eat. But we're gonna come over here and take a look at the church and then head on back. We are back at the second attraction. We're here at Dogwood Canyon. Yesterday we were freezing so much, we went out to go watch a movie and find some better food. And so we decided to come back when it was a little more sunny. And 50 today feels pretty good and sunny compared to yesterday. And the pass that we bought allows, you said it was 90 days to use it up?
90 days to start. Once you go to the first place, you have 14 days to go to the second.
So that's really nice that you don't have to rush from one attraction to the other, and that is a really good way to save some money. And
You can include the aquarium also for $15 more than what we paid, which I imagine would be an amazing aquarium. Moose alive.
this park offers bike rentals, tram tours, a tree house. There's a lot to do here. And it is pretty crowded, so make sure you plan accordingly so you can get a parking spot. Right now we're just gonna stroll down this road here and see what there is to see. There are, I think they said like 9 miles of hiking and biking trails here. We have yet to come across many hiking trails that are in the woods. We're just walking down the bike path, which is weaving out of the tram road that goes back to the wilderness sanctuary. I think this would be a fun place to come for like biking and for the tram ride. And I'm glad that we didn't pay the full price to come here. We made it to some hiking trails. This one here is the Box Canyon Trail. Sounds interesting. Box and Bluff. I love the warnings you get. You are in a wilderness area. Be aware of inherent danger. These dangers include, but are not limited to, venomous snakes, poisonous plants. Yes, you have to watch out for those snapping turtles.
They might come after you at 9.8 miles an hour. It's like on the road.
Oh man. But so far, the hiking aspect of it is less than thrilling.
Yeah, if we had bikes and brought them with us, I think that would be a very nice, scenic, flat, like ride out 6 miles and then back.
This is kind of funny. We got to the end here and they had stacked rocks so people wouldn't continue to go on. I guess to give you that more feel that you're in a boxed out canyon.
Yeah, I don't think that had anything to do with them not wanting you to go on. I think they just wanted you to see a taller wall. And now we've been 4.07 miles.
Wow, 4.07?
Yeah.
Wow, it's gonna be 8 miles by the time we're done?
Well, no, because we went on that side chute, but I thought that side chute was only 0.6 miles, so it's gonna be 7 at least.
We were trying to find a good place to turn around at. We thought about turning around at Emerald Pools, but someone was nice enough to say that we're almost to the end. And so it's a 6 mile round trip to walk to the end of this and then back. And it ends in a really nice waterfall. But we're definitely ready to head back.
Yeah.
We're gonna stop at the fire pit cave on our way back. But what a neat walk. You get to walk into Arkansas from Missouri. Now we're here in Arkansas, we have to walk back to Missouri.